Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open Instagram onto your device and head onto your profile. Simply click onto the profile icon here onto the bottom part to proceed. So once you're already in here, so as you can see, my account is currently a business account. To go ahead and add a collaboration onto your post, you need to have your account on a business mode. So for you to be able to do that, click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part of the screen, scroll down until you find an option in here to go ahead and change your account status. So I have switched first my account back to personal in here so that you could see me how we could go ahead and try to change this to a business account. So click onto the three horizontal lines in here and then let's scroll down until you find an option for professionals. Click on account type and tools and there should be an option for you to switch your account to a professional account. Simply click onto that, click on next and then choose in what best describes you and switch to personal account. So you could also choose to display that onto your profile, choose business, click on next, and then just go ahead and fill out all of the details in here. And once you have completely switched your account, just choose in a post in here when you want to add collaboration. For example, this specific post. Click on edit in here, and to do so, click onto the three dots and click onto edit. So as you can see onto the upper part, there is an add collaborators option. Simply click onto that and then you could tap here and then search for the collaborator that you want to add or simply invite collaborators for this. So if they accept, their username will be added to the post and it will be shared with their followers and shown on their profile. Simply search for the person in here. So let's type in anyone, for example, this person in here. You'll just have to simply click onto that and then it should show like this and just click on done. And that is how easy you could go ahead and add collaboration in Instagram after posting Easy Guide. If you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.